Changing your reverse osmosis filters. Removing the first filter of the water system, you'll notice some water leak out into the under sink cabinet mat as we remove it. As I remove the second canister, kind of the same thing does happen. The water just is actually a little higher than the very top of that canister as it's screwed into the water system. So when you do unscrew it, water does tend to leak out. Now I am removing the third unit here in this system. You'll notice I'm fighting getting the canister out. I did not think about when I actually mounted it to the wall that we were tucked back behind the Instahot and the P-trap. And by taking that out, we did lose some water in the mat. Once again, this is not a problem because we actually have an under sink cabinet mat underneath of our RO system. Now that you've changed all the water filters and any water that has fallen within the cabinet mat, you can use some paper towels, soak up any excess water. You can wipe off the mat, make sure it's free of any debris. If you do have a water sensor, be sure to put that back in the mat. Thanks for watching.